Lunda here. Quick market review of US30 and how we caught the massive drop on Wednesday. Yes, in the indices trading room, right? So first things first is that this is what I saw at the time. I was like, okay, currently on the daily time frame, we are currently in a correctional wave, right? As we can see, because it's impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse. We are currently in an impulsive wave, meaning that US30 is going to be bearish for the day, right? And then I went to the 4 hour, and then when I got to the 4 hour as well, I saw that okay, the 4 hours also correcting, meaning it's also selling. I went to the 1 hour, and I also saw the same thing, right? But I wanted to understand, okay, but like, where is this correctional wave going to end? This is now where obviously I saw, you know, this supply area, this demand area here, where I wanted to see price perhaps coming back to this demand area, and see whether price is going to respect this area or not, right? But in the meantime, we took sales, right, since price was selling that on this specific day. And then I scaled down to my lower time frame, my 3-minute time frame. And then on the 3-minute time frame, this is what I saw here. On the 3-minute time frame, I saw this. No, it was the 2-minute. I'm lying. It was the 2 minutes. Right. Then I scaled to my 2-minute time frame. And when I scaled to my 2-minute time frame, I wanted to see price either using this resistance here. Right. It's either price going to use this resistance here like this, since we are selling, right? Like this. And then possibly if price doesn't respect the area for my interest, right? Like this. After that, price obviously came back here to induce. The moment it induced, this is now where things for me started to get a bit more interesting, right? After that, price induced, but the moment price induced, price immediately left a supply area again. Here's the supply area like this again, right? So the moment price left this supply area for me like this is now where my first entry came in here like this. My first entry came right about here. Let's just quickly fix this guy. Let's put price here. Right. My first entry came in right about here. Once I saw price leaving, printing for me that, this supply area again, like this. Right. Like this. So this was my first entry like this. And then if we go to like a 10-minute time frame, my exit was on this specific low here. This is where my exit was at the time. I think it was this one. Or yeah, my exit was right about here. Yeah, now that I remember. So my exit was right about here. Mind you, this is the 1 hour's demand that we located, right? So my exit was right about here, which was already a 1:15 trade, right? So going back to the 2 minutes, we used the 10 minutes low, right, for our take profit, right? And then after that, price just pushed up and then tapped me in. The moment price tapped me in, right, it's like, guys, that day price just kept on printing a 15-hour trade. And then after that, my second entry also came in somewhere around here, right? So my second entry came right about here. The moment price left this wick for me again, that's when I knew. I was like, okay, I wanted to see price. Let's just put this guy like this. I wanted to see price at least coming back again to take out this high and then push all the way down for me to obviously enter my opportunities, right? After that, price just did this. After that, price induced there. The moment it did that, the moment price took out that high, again, what did price leave for us again? Price again left this supply area for me again like this. So now this is the supply area that I used to enter, right? I used the very same supply area like this. And then my second entry came in right about here, where I wanted to see price coming back in and wicking into this supply area. And then obviously we take it to the same low, our initial take profit, right? After that, price did what? Price just tapped in, and this is now where price just started to melt down, right? Price didn't even play. Price just went all the way down without giving us even any opportunity really to enter more trades. So yeah, guys, this is how we caught these trades here, right? But I'm not gonna lie, I actually held longer once I saw all of these guys printing out like this. I'm not gonna lie and say I just closed somewhere here, right? Somewhere around here. this is where I actually took my profit. Once I saw price just printing all of these candlesticks, you know, like this. So yeah guys, that's how we caught these trades over here. So this was a 51R and then this was a 41R. This is how we caught the huge drop on so yeah guys, this is how we eventually caught all of these trades over here. But yeah, nonetheless. But yeah guys, this is the end of today's video and how we caught these RR trades, these massive RR trades on